It's this opportunity you're giving people is absolutely insane. Like I see it like a light at the end of the tunnel. It's I thank you.
So, Alexander, first of all, it's great meeting you.
You too.
So, the reason we're doing this interview is, first of all, to say congratulations on what you did past the evaluation phase. It's amazing to see other traders moving forward and like you getting funded, started trading on real money. So, congrats on that.
Thank you.
And the second thing is basically to give, from your side of the story, give the inspiration for the other traders, because we have a lot of traders coming in every day and trading this evaluation phase. And basically, sometimes when you start trading, you don't really see the light at the end of the tunnel. So in this case, when they hear someone like you passing the evaluation and start trading on real money, they will feel they get a chance as well, and that will push them to get to that goal, right?
Yeah. So it's been a wild journey, man. I started trading back in around 2018, like the day I turned 18,
Wow.
and I consistently lost money because I didn't really look into it at all. I thought it's green. It was a bull market at the time, so it was just going up. But the bear market came around, and I fell out of trading for a little while. So I just got a job and hunkered down on that. But in August of 2022, I lost my job, and I saw that as an opportunity to take trading full time. So I joined this like stock trading academy, and I kind of just put all my effort into learning how to trade. Um, we do this style called momentum trading. It's basically we look for like the top gappers
Mm-hmm.
and trade for the break at a pre-market high.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did it work
So
for you?
one more time.
How did it work for you when you did that, the momentum trade?
The first day I did it, it back before I joined Trade the Pool, I made 10% on my account the first day,
Nice.
and it's solidified in my mind like this is definitely what I want to do.
Yeah. Money, when you see money coming in, it's usually push you a little bit more to get to that goal.
Yeah, I was looking up Lamborghinis that day.
Yeah, right. So let's talk a little bit about your trading. What you said, you're looking for momentum gappers up and down. Are you focusing mostly on small caps, or it's also like large cap?
Yes, small caps, mostly on small caps. Stocks that range from the like $2 to $10 range.
Why is that? Why focusing on small caps rather than large cap?
It's just what I practice on. It's what I've been doing for about a year now. I didn't have a lot of money. I only had about $1,000 to start with.
Oh.
So I was just doing the small cap stuff.
Right. Okay. So basically, because of low capital, you went to the stocks that are costing less, and then
Yeah.
okay. And how did you find your edge in the game? So what type of besides the momentum thing, what actually led you to understand? Okay, that's the way I need to trade.
I learned through my losses. I did a lot of FOMO buying in the beginning,
Right.
so I really learned to like hunker down and like look at the volume and look at the pullbacks and like looking at the past and like where VWAP is, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. And now that you become a funded trader, what do you feel? Do you have any like? Are you nervous about it? Do you know what you're gonna do?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I have a strong supportive group and of other successful traders around me. So I'm
Oh,
confident that I'm going to do well.
okay, yeah, that sounds good. So, by the way, how did you hear about Trader Pool?
I was looking for a prop firm, and I saw one of your videos on YouTube.
Right. Okay, cool. And so far, how do you rate your experience with Trader Pool?
10 out of 10. I like it a lot.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. Yeah.
it's great. Yeah.
I mean, for me, I don't know if you listened to that video when I talked about my past, but for me, when I started, I like you, I brought some money to the table, $10,000, but it wasn't really enough to play with and get a feeling of the market, and not nonetheless to make money, real money in the game, in the market. So now that we present in this tool, Trader Pool, so basically anyone that even with less than $1,000 can actually trade big with a big capital. So that makes a lot of sense to me. So this is why I like to talk with the guys and see how they feel and how the way that they came to Trader Pool. So I like that. Okay, so
I appreciate it more than everything, man. It's this opportunity you're giving people is absolutely insane. Like I see it like a light at the end of the tunnel. It's I thank you.
that's great. Thanks so much. So basically, if I recall, I saw your trades. I went through your trades, and if I recall, you traded, forget the symbol, GNVM, something like that. Do you remember that?
Oh, it was yesterday, right?
Yesterday or 2 days ago.
G.
GV GV something, pharmaceutical, if I'm not mistaken, that
Yes.
popped up pretty nicely after. Not sure if it was a FDA approved or something like that. Do you usually, when let's talk about that for a second. When you're looking at a gapper, right, a gap up, gap down, do you usually go to the news as well and try to analyze the catalyst, what drives the news?
Yeah, I like to have I have Thinkorswim up on my other monitor, and they
Yeah.
have like news right here, and I also have up the Zendu scanner on YouTube,
Okay.
and there's usually guys in there talking about it, and I also have my stock trading group that I'm in a Discord call with like all my buddies, and we'll just be like viewing stocks together.
Okay, that's great. So definitely, if you have a good environment that supports you and that you can rely on and ask some question there, and you can help others, that's a great thing. And I would appreciate that if you help as well in Trader Pool Discord. Anything that you can add, and feel free to do that. That would be
Okay.
amazing for everyone, especially
Yeah.
now that you're being funded. Guys are really. I saw that guys are really looking for, those guys that got funded to push them a little bit more and give them advices and tips on what to do, basically.
All right. Yeah, I'll do the best I can.
Yeah, appreciate it. Alrighty, so I guess that's it. I wish you lots of success, and our risk manager guy will take care of the rest of the deal. Did you open, by the way, a deal account?
No, not yet. It said I needed a link. It said I needed a link for it.
I'll check it out. Shouldn't be, but I'll check it out. And but one more thing, you need to change your name. You had like a panda stick or something like that.
Oh yeah, sure thing.
So you just need to change that.
Okay, sure.
Because then the deal should be the same as in the evaluation account. So just regulatory things. So you just need to change that to your real name. Alrighty. Okay, thanks, Alexander. Wish you all the best. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me also in the chat in Discord. Feel free. And,
awesome. Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, we'll be in touch. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.